Hello guys, this is Silam. Today we are working on a 2003 Mitsubishi Eclipse. This thing is leaking fuel. When you pour fuel in it, as you can see, it's leaking fuel from the funnel, the fuel funnel. So as you can see, it looks pretty rusted. So today we will attempt to replace the fuel funnel. I got it on Amazon. It was delivered to me a couple days ago, and this is what it looks like. So guys, this is what the fuel funnel look like. So we will attempt to replace it. Here we go right in here and go at the bottom. So alright guys, let's get it started. So I'm going to use a 10mm socket to loosen. It's kind of tight. 1 second. Okay. It's 10mm. Oh boy, it's broken. Okay, I finally unscrewed them. 2 of the bolts are broken, as you can see. This is the normal length, so I don't know. So this is off now. So now we will attempt to probably remove the tire. Once we remove the tire, we will have more space to work with, so we can install the new funnel. So we just removed the rear tire, so we have better looking access here. So I'm gonna have to remove this panel, and this is the funnel here. So the leak must be coming from somewhere around here. Yeah, it's pretty rusted. It's the climate around here, snow and salt, snow salt. Alright guys, I was able to remove the tire. Now we have more space to work with, so we will be replacing the funnel here. So I will go ahead and unscrew this. These are tight, so oh my goodness. So we need to replace remove this because it's holding the funnel here. So sorry, there's an airport here, so a lot of airplane landing. Sorry about the noise. So we will remove 1, 2, 3, before. Once we remove this, we will remove this panel here, and then we will disconnect. See how rusted this thing is? This is how the fuel gets into the reservoir. So we will disconnect it over here. So rusted, man. Disconnect it over here and then remove the whole thing. Alright guys, we remove the cover. This cover was here. I just remove it. Now the funnel is exposed. It's pretty rusted, man. It's so rusted. And this bolt also loosened, so I just have one hanging there to hold it so it doesn't drop, on the floor. And yeah, now if you look here, are the connection where the funnel goes into the fuel tank. See how rusted that is? Yeah, it's so rusted that even the connector around the tube here are destroyed. So you're gonna attempt to retrieve that from the rubber hose, and we will replace it with the new one. If you look here, you will see the rust. So the fuel is going right from the top and then is dripping down the hole. You see how it's rusted? So there's holes in it. So that's why our fuel has been dripping down. Every time you try to pump some gas in it, yeah, it's all rusted, so it's dripping down from here. Yeah, there's no way to salvage this. This has to be replaced totally. It's totally gone. This is so rusted and fragile, so when I'm trying to pull it out of the rubber hose here, the rust keeps breaking down. So it's gonna be a little challenge to remove this, but we will get it done. Alright guys, now we're gonna attempt to drop the funnel. Something is holding it up there. Let me see. Oh man. Okay. There it is. All roasted. So see how bad this looks. See? So in comparison, that's the new one here, and that's the rusted old one. So we're gonna attempt to install the new one today. So guys, this is the old rusted one I just removed. That's where the fuel was dripping from because of the hole, the rusted hole. and we will replace it with this brand new one I got on Amazon. Yeah. So guys, there you have it. I'm done installing the fuel neck. The fuel neck is installed. So one tip I would like to give you guys is, when you install this back, sometimes it's hard for the fuel neck, the medium holes, to go inside the rubber here. So what I did is, after I slide that in, to push it further, I just use my how do you call it? I just use my flat screwdriver. I put some towel. Let me readjust the video just a moment. So this is what I do. So I use the screwdriver, and I put a towel on top of it, and then I just try to slide it up, slide it up, slide it up. That movement, slide it up until it goes fully into the fuel neck, and then I just clamp it down. Yeah. And after you do all that, you just bolt all these three down, and also I put the cover back here, and that's it. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment. Thank you.